Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming tools, the Ufree Electric Razor and the TPOB Slime 2 Barber Hair Clippers. Today, we'll delve into their features, performance, and value for money to help you choose the best grooming kit for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to motor power, the Ufree Electric Razor boasts an impressive 7,500 RPM, making it highly efficient for trimming and shaving. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 operates at 6,800 RPM. While both motors are powerful, the Ufree's higher RPM may offer a quicker and more effective shaving experience, especially for those with varying hair types. In terms of build quality, the Ufree Electric Razor features a stainless steel body that not only looks premium but also ensures durability. On the other hand, the TPOB Slime 2 is made from carbon steel and ABS plastic, which provides a lightweight yet sturdy design. Both products are designed for longevity, but the choice between them may come down to personal preference in materials. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The Ufree Electric Razor is priced at $79, making it a more budget-friendly option. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 comes in at $126, reflecting its professional-grade features and versatility. Depending on your grooming needs and budget, one of these options may stand out as the better choice. In conclusion, both the Ufree Electric Razor and the TPOB Slime 2 offer unique features catering to different grooming needs. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient foil shaver, the Ufree is an excellent choice. However, if you need a versatile clipper set for various styles, the TPOB Slime 2 is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.